Okay, so the Supermoto build is back. Whoop! Tinyland is working on her bike with some secret projects, and we're gonna do some bling bling. Yeah, I made my bike white back here, and you can see that in the video that we tested her exhausts. Let's line up all the bling bling we have. And yeah, these two are already assembled on the bike, like this for example, and this one. So yeah, some KTM power part stuff. Nice. Okay, first step is to finally remove these ones, because they are holding on to these levers and stuff. So without further ado, let's hit it. Okay, nu jävlar. Nu kör vi. Okay, we shall use a screwdriver. Okay, now that is off. Okay, we go way back in, and then we just push it in. Oh, we can take our sprocket grease. Kom och kolla på mitt nya kopplingshandtag. Oh my god. Ja. Det är bara fortsätta. Let's continue. We're gonna... Var är den? Jag tappar bort den. Final piece. Boom. My plan is to spray paint this part here black, so it will be black and orange, like. But it doesn't have any rubber gaskets, so. Maybe. Okay. I can already say that with the next oil change, we're gonna change the oil plug and the oil pump cover. And this one I haven't really figured out how you're mounting it. So if someone knows, please let me know, because this original one is like knitted here. It's you can't really unscrew anything here, but this one has a screw. So please let me know how you're changing this. Are you like supposed to drill through this or something? I don't know. Let me know, because I need to know. Och den här bromsgrejen är jätteoklar. Kolla på färgen. Den är matt, den är nästan röd. Okay, let's compare. Here we have the size difference. So, whoop, noise, and then either this will be super bloody or this will go painless. So let's see. En hammare. Den. Because I'm thinking that we should reuse these. Jävlar. First part is out. Okay, there's a spring in there, and the spring is the one that is what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of how hard it is. That's what she said. Now it's out. Woo. Let's compare. So, whoa, there's a hefty weight difference. This one is much heavier and smaller, but wider. But this has more grip to it, and it looks nicer. Okay, nice. So the idea is that this one goes in to sit like this. But that is easier said than done. I think we might have to loosen this. Now we're gonna install the foot pegs. And I have some ideas of how to not make it bloody. Vi kan testa den här varianten. Vill du komma och hjälpa mig? Så. Sen trycker jag fast den så här och sen drar jag åt. Så, okej. 3, 2, 1, go! Så. Nu jävlar. Kanske. Okay, let's see if this works. Push this one down. Like so. And now that is in. And we just want to get the plastics out. Smärtfritt! Fy fan. Jag är fan bäst. Vadå? Så, perfekt. Nu är det nästa sida. Fy fan. Åh jävlar, den är fucking tilltufsad. Så. So this one. New peg. Jag kommer bara trycka till den och då drar du upp den. Here we go. And then with this one it's just as easy as put it in. Whew. This is the method I have learned that it's easiest to install foot pegs.
Ja. Fucking helvetes.
Now I think we're gonna go on to changing this one to orange. Here is our container for the coolant. Okay, now comes the moment where it's gonna squirt all over the place. Oh, Tinyland, do you wanna help me? Hold on, typ. Så. Protection plastics. Squirt. Let's see. This is the one we're replacing. Okay, now it's interesting to see how does it look inside here. That is how it looks. In. Now that is on bling bling. Now comes the part where we're gonna get that into the. And well, this one. Go! Right there. Oh, well, now we have coolant back in. Like that. Now we have bling bling motorbike, yes! Okay. Nu är det kvar spoke skins. Here we can see that on my YouTube video 68% chose white spokes. Then I did also a question on Instagram. Is it true? Like white spokes the best? And 65% said yes. So I think we're gonna go with white spokes. Yeah, wish me luck. Let's see how that goes. I think Tinyland has some experience with spoke shit. So she's gonna show me how to do it because I'm a noob. Here we have some spokes.
And then you just do like this.
Amazing. Jag tycker inte det var så svårt. Ta bara tid. Nu ska vi se. Ja, jag tror jag är klar.
Är du klar?
Ja.
Va? Va? Nu får du hjälpa mig då.
Ja. Okay, what's up guys? We're now out testing the newly built Supermoto. We took some videos and sexy shots of the Supermoto. So yeah, all the bling bling parts look nice. Yeah, it looks really nice. And the spoke skins, of course. Yeah, it looks nice. And now we're gonna continue riding. Now we're on a small, super duper small beach. And riding is sad, we want to have traction control. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah, and then we found this nice hill climb here. Some moped kids behind me. Hej! Va? Ja. Den låter mycket. Ja, fan vad nice. Ja. The moped kids. And I lost my girlfriend. Nej, ditåt. Ah! So evil. Wheelies into the sunset. this bike goes well. It wraps. Thanks for watching.